What's up guys, welcome back to AB Auto. Now, if you saw the title of this video, you know my Mercedes unfortunately is already going for its first trip to Mercedes for a repair or a warranty issue, we'll say. It's a bit disappointing because I've not even had the car for a year yet. Let's sit in the car and I'll tell you guys all about it. Right guys, now we're here sitting in the C43. Let's talk about why it's going back to Mercedes and what's wrong with it. Well, the truth is there's nothing major wrong with it, so no need to panic. The car functions absolutely fine. I really love it. But there's just two small little things that I want to get checked out for warranty reasons because I don't think they're functioning correctly, and why not? So I'm going to quickly run through them with you now. Right, so the first one is the tyre pressure. So I had an issue with my car where I hadn't done my tyres for a little while, which is my own stupid fault. And the car is very smart and it has a tyre pressure indicator. So I got a nice warning come up on the screen saying, check your tyres, your tyre pressure is low, this wheel was that pressure, that wheel was that pressure, vice versa. So my immediate response was, crap, okay, thanks for warning me, Mercedes, I'm gonna get these tyres sorted. So I pumped the tyres up to the exact amount of PSI specified in the instruction manual, and then I started driving and the warning popped back up and I thought, oh, that's strange. Maybe it's just popped up again and it needs to reset. And I just can't seem to get this warning to go away. Every single time I start the car up and drive, the warning pops up telling me my tyre pressures are wrong. But I've checked them manually and I've double checked and they're all absolutely fine. So I think there's something wrong with the tyre pressure indicator, and to be honest, it could be something as simple as just a quick reboot or reset of the system now to get rid of the warning message to clear it. However, the message is annoying and I don't know if there's something wrong, so I'm taking the car to Mercedes to get it checked out. So hopefully they'll be able to just reset it, there'll be no problems and it'll be great. So that's the first one. So the second one is, well, to be honest, I don't know if it's a problem or not, but it's going to get checked out, and it is the self-parking feature. Now, bit of a gimmick self-parking features, but to be honest, I've seen some videos of them and it looks really useful and really good. So I thought, oh great, I'll test this out in my car. It can't even find a parking space. Whether or not it's the system and the system is just rubbish, I don't know, but my car, I pop it in the self-parking feature, it brings it up on the screen and it's supposed to show you parking spaces as they become available. Mine just can't find a single space. I mean, the one time it did find a space, it wasn't even a space, it was a turn-in. So the system is not working at all, and I personally want to see if it's my car or if the system is just rubbish, because if the system is rubbish, then I want to let you guys know, because this channel is all about the C43 and it's great stuff and it's bad stuff, and if that's one of the bad things. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the car to Mercedes, they're going to check that out, and then if they turn around and tell me the system's working fine, then I'm going to put together a video to show you guys exactly how the system works, and in my case, hopefully not, how it doesn't work. One of the cool things though about this whole situation, and I've been looking forward to taking my car to Mercedes for its service, because as you guys know, I've got the dash cam up here. Now the dash cam records all driving, and it also records my car from the front and the back when it's parked for like 20 hours. So we're going to have a recording of my car's entire time at Mercedes. So we're going to be able to see exactly what they did with the car, how they tested it, if they tested it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all together on a video when I get my car back, and I'm going to show you guys what happens when you take your car to Mercedes. I hope they take care of it. Part of me is a bit worried, but I think it might be quite funny, because there might be a funny video on there of them testing the parking feature and it not working at all, and then them turning around and telling me that it's working fine. So we'll see what happens. So that's actually quite a video to look forward to. So not too negative really, because hopefully in a couple of weeks time I'll be posting a funny video of my car at Mercedes so we can all see exactly what they do when a car comes in for a warranty issue like this. So there you go guys, just a quick update video just to let you know about what's happening with the C43. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that video that I'm going to release of my car at Mercedes from the dash cam point of view. Lots of videos on the way guys, as always. I'll see you guys next time.